everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a little program that backs up files. So it'll back up things like .txt files, .docx files, .pdf files and that. So what you need to import is OS, your time module, and import shuttle. Now you might not have this shuttle module in Python, so if you don't have it, you'll have to install it through pip. So I've created a path to my desktop, and I've also changed into that directory. So on my desktop I've got something here called backup folder. I'm going to make copies of these files and put them in there. Right, so all we do is we create backup here, and we don't need to change into that directory, so we'll leave that the path there. So we create backup, and then we're going to put C users mark desktop, and it's going to be, call it backup folder. It's going to be backup folder. Okay, so what we do there, os.chddir, we're going to change that path. Actually, that's the path I want to change into, so let's just copy that. Just going to paste it under there. So we've got our backup path, and we're changing to the desktop path there. Let me just neaten that up a little bit. Okay. Right. I'm going to type in a variable called file type. I'm going to assign it to input. Get user input. I'm going to tell the user what to do. Enter file type. So I want the user to enter in something like .txt, .docx, .pdf, .bmp, not BNP. That was the British National Party a long time ago. Anyway, going to go here, we're going to do list dir variable, and we're going to assign that to os.list dir and the path. Okay, so we're going to list everything in that path. Then we're going to print a message, tell the user what the program is doing. Searching for files. We're just going to do a sleep, so time.sleep, which will pause the program. I'm going to pause it for 1 second before going on to my for loop. That's not needed. So we go for file in this directory, and we're going to create a conditional. So if file dot ends with file type. So the file type that we entered in here, it could have been .txt, .docx, etc. Let's print another message. This time we're going to use fstring to format it. We'll just tell the user backing up, and then the file that we've found, or files that we've found here, and then we tell them the destination that we're backing the files up to, which is going to be this destination up here, back up. Right, now we use the shuttle module dot copy. So we're going to copy these files. We'll say file, and then we're going to say to backup. Okay, so we're going to copy the files to the backup. Now what we do is we call the program backup files. Let's format it better than that. Let's save the program and let's run it. Okay, so it says enter file type. Now on my desktop I've got txt, I've got PDFs, I've got docx. So I think we'll go for the txt file first. So let's it's already running. Let's open that, make it a bit bigger. .txt, hit enter, searching for files, backing it up to username backup folder. Okay, let's stop that. Let's see if it has backed it up. So A, so there it is, there's A. So let's try a PDF, shall we? Sure. Let's run that again. .pdf. Okay, so it's told me the files that it's backing up, and it's told me exactly where it's backing these files up to, so that looks okay. Let's see if the files are there. Let's back them up, and the last one we're going to do is the Word document, so let's run that again. Let's make it bigger, and that's going to be docx, hit enter, searching for files. Yeah, it's fine, it's found that one, so it's backed it up. Let's have a look here, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.